Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting Messenger screen capture permission and verifying the app is up to date. This lets you share system audio and video. Once done, open the chat or call where you'll present and tap the video or call icon to begin a session. Make sure notifications are muted and sensitive windows are closed. Connect to Wi-Fi or 5G for smoother frames, and, if needed, plug the device into power to avoid interruptions during extended sharing. Now choose whether to share your entire screen or a single app window. Entire screen is best for fluid switching, while a single app reduces privacy risk. Enable audio sharing when you'll play video or demo software sounds, because otherwise participants hear only your microphone. Once selected, confirm the system prompt to begin recording the screen. Make sure to position important UI elements where viewers can see them, and, if helpful, switch to the camera. To finish, tap the screen share control to pause, resume, or stop. Communicate changes so participants aren't confused when you switch apps. When done, end sharing, then hang up the call to fully close capture. If someone sees a black screen, make sure you allowed screen capture permissions, toggle them off and on, or force quit and reopen Messenger. This clears common glitches. Finally, confirm everyone can see the final screenshot or export any shared material before closing the chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.